Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Request you to see the video till the end. If you like my video, please hit the bell icon to subscribe. We are coming back from the Montserrat. Jon Cake, very popular and famous cake shop in Barcelona. There will be a queue worth to wait in line. Available as the whole cake or in slices. We bought 3 slices of cheesecakes with different flavors. Had one of the best delicious cheesecake. Paradiso Cocktail Bar. The entrance is hidden in a pastry shop. Access through a fridge door. Behind the door is the bar serving cocktails. Voted number 1 in the world's 50 best bars 2022 and number 4 in 2023.
To bite it while you drink the cocktail.
This flower.
Exactly. Inside we have this vitamin, it's coricoflavin, and that's the effect on your blood.
Okay. So beautiful.
So bite the flower while you drink it, your mouth is gonna be happy. Okay? So what I express as a good one is our part is
Arc de Triomphe in Barcelona acknowledges the role of agriculture and industry, erected for the World's Fair in 1888. We are going to have a brunch at El Arroceria Zataiva. Started palm tomate, albergines fried dishes with vegetarian paella de verduras. So delicious. Catalonia Square, Plaza de Catalunya, large square in central Barcelona. Apart from fountains and statues, most popular attractions the flocks of pigeons that gather in the center of square. El Corte English, Spanish iconic departmental store and shopping complex. Beautiful city's view from the restaurant on the top floor. Gothic Quarter is so called because it used to be the Roman village and thus has come remnants of its glorious past. Narrow streets and centuries old buildings, the historic center of the city is an architectural jewel. It is a living testimony of the city's rich cultural heritage. Consequently, it attracts millions of tourists every year. Barcelona's true history began right where the Gothic Quarter stands today, because this is where the Romans laid claim to the land and built their first settlement, which was fortified by the addition of a thick wall that rose up to a full 60 feet and boasted 78 towers. Brunel's since 1852 old-fashioned long-standing bakery serves traditional pastries, desserts and coffees. We tried croissants here, nice, tasty. Picasso Museum in Barcelona is a must visit for art lovers and admirers of great Spanish artist Pablo Picasso. The museum houses a vast collection of the artist's work, including paintings, drawings, and engravings that created during various phases of his artistic evolution. Is a very small street in Flamenco, Barcelona. 19th century theatre staging traditional songs, dance with live music. Duration is 1 hour. Attending a flamenco show is a must while you are in Barcelona. It's a fascinate Spanish dance. The performance is also known for its singing, guitar playing, romance and colorful costumes. People describe flamenco as a state of mind in that it is an expression of deep emotions. In addition, it creates a connection with the audience. Saint Mary of the Sea Church, built between 1329 and 1383. It is an outstanding example of Catalan Gothic with a purity and unity of style that is very unusual in a large medieval building. Had a dinner at Joan Laosi Hot Pot. Choose soups with meat, fish or vegetables. Had a great fun around hot pot with my family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching till the end. See you soon with another video.